Selma Teacher 7, Mr. Barry here. Today we're going to be looking at Chromebook 14. Now these are still available, and which is amazing because they've been going on for years and years. My family is still using theirs, but this one here is an unboxing video and looking at the ports that you have on there. The newest ones, by the way, now come with the Play Store, so you can actually download and actually run the Android apps right on your Chromebooks. So let's look at the unboxing and the ports of a HP Chromebook 14. Hey, if you can click on that thumbs up icon, that really helps the channel. And let's get back to watching the unboxing and the ports of an HP Chromebook 14. There are quite a number of HP Chromebook 14 models that are out there available now, and you can find them through Amazon. This is just one example. So on the right side we find the audio port, the micro SD card slot, the USB Type A, and a USB Type C port. On the left hand side we find the security lock port. Next to that is the USB Type C port, and then after that we have the USB Type A port. So there you have it, the unboxing and the ports of the HP Chromebook 14. Remember that these do actually play the apps from the Android Play Store now, which really makes them more useful than they were just a few years ago. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Selma Teacher 7, if you haven't done so already. And leave a comment down below if you have an idea for a future video or a question about Chromebooks. All right, well, thank you again there for watching to the end. You all have a very good day, and bye-bye.